Did you know 5 women once walked into the most powerful room in the ancient world and changed the law of an entire nation? Their father was dead, no sons, no heir. And under the law, that meant his daughters got nothing. His name would vanish, his land would be lost, gone. But his daughters refused to accept that. Their names were Mahlah, Noah, Hoglah, Milcah, and Tirzah. And they walked to the entrance of the tabernacle. They stood before Moses, before the high priest, before the princes, before the entire assembled congregation of Israel. No one had ever done this. No law permitted it. No woman had tried. They stood anyway, and they spoke. "Give us our father's inheritance." Moses took the case directly to God, and God answered immediately. They are right. The law was rewritten that same day. 5 women, no legal standing, no champion, no precedent, just the unshakable belief that their request was just, and that was enough.